So, Mr. Ceylan, you are the Turkish Ombudsman and visit here in Central Europe. You are visiting Brussels and Strasbourg and now also Luxembourg. You are welcome here at the representation of the European Commission in Luxembourg. What is the purpose of your visit here in Europe?
Thank you very much, Mr. Berg, for accepting me for this kind of meeting. And I would like to thank you on behalf of the Ombudsman institution and for the name of to the European Commission, because this is I'm here because within the scope of European Union Visitors Program, that the colleagues in the delegation of European Union to Turkey had invited me to this program. So I have been in Brussels at the beginning of this week. Then from Tuesday to Thursday I was in Strasbourg. I met several officials from Parliament and some MPs and some other colleagues from the European Ombudsman in Strasbourg, and also some colleagues from Council of Europe. So there were some really beneficial meetings with them. Now I'm in Luxembourg. I have visited Mr. Ombudsman, Miss Er. She was the first ombudsman who had visited our office in Turkey in 2013. So we had close contacts with the Luxembourg Ombudsman office, and I also had some visits to the European Court of Justice. Then this is the last meeting in Luxembourg. Then I will be leaving to Brussels, and one more week in Brussels. There will be some meetings with the officials from Commission. Then I will leave on Thursday. So I would like to thank you. I would like to thank European Commission for this very well prepared program. It's really appreciated, and I really took benefit of this program. And when I return back to Turkey, it will be much more easier for me to reach our colleagues directly whenever we would like to reach them, or I will be at their disposal when they need help from our side. I will be happy to help whatever we do.
Fine, it's great to hear that it has been beneficial for every part. And so I wish you good continuation of
Thank you
your
very much.
program.
Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.